kings and queens, welcome or welcome back to the channel. It's the girl Aneke. How you doing or whatever? If you're an oldie but goodie, thank you so much for returning back to the channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Can we just appreciate you for stopping by? We appreciate you for stopping by. So anyways, in today's video, we are doing our weekly check-in. This is for week 29 to, ooh, wait, hold up now. It's a chopper. Bam, bam, bam. It's a, okay, hold up. I don't remember what week this is. 27 to October 2nd, right? 26.
I cut all that talking, made it happen. Few bumps was in a row, but stay proactive. Yeah, running like my stash still in the Mac.
Okay, y'all, it's week 26 to the 2nd of October. 26 September to 2 October. Child, hoochile. Pray for me. All right, boom, bada bang. Let's go through it. What we did, right? So on the 28th, a lot happened. 4 of them to be exact. 4 happened. So on the 28th, I have going out. I went to this Korean barbecue place. Loves it. My airman made staff. Yeah, he made staff. So we went out and eat, and I paid for me and him. And so from going out, Korean barbecue was $34.25. And so 75 cents goes towards saving. And then we have a total of $35 that we're gonna be depositing. Yeah. Next on that is groceries, which happened on the 28th as well. We just bought food. That came up to a total of $78.66. 34 cents left over. That's $79 going towards the bank. Next is household. You know, she be going through it. But household, aka home. I bought some utensils, some plastic utensils, because I need them for work, y'all. Because, ooh, little baby, chile. That was $4.04. And so a whole whopping 96 cents is going towards savings. And that's a total of $5. $5. Then from our weekly spending, I went to Popeyes. Bear in mind, guys, I made breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And my friend was like, yeah, I made breakfast, lunch, and dinner too, but we still want to go out to eat. And I was like, okay, sis, let's go. So I bought Popeyes at the first day at work. I had my whole lunch and everything, but the first day at work, I bought Popeyes. And I'm okay with that. Because, you know, sometimes it ain't about saving money. Sometimes you gotta like build and keep your relationships. You know, it ain't all about the financial well-being. Sometimes it's about the mental and physical too. But anyways, yeah, bought Popeyes $8.20. And so 80 cents is going towards saving. And that was a total of $9. On the 29th, since we finally moved from the 28th and spending all these coins, I bought YouTube. Well, I bought something from YouTube. Let me tell you, if I bought YouTube, that's if I bought YouTube. But since I only bought something out of the YouTube cash envelope from Amazon, that came up to $38.99. And a penny is going towards saving, and that was a total of $39. Then the last thing we bought is groceries, and it was from groceries, and it is closeout snacks. Now basically what that is just end of fiscal year. I bought some snacks. That's what that is. Total came up to $17.68. 32 cents went towards saving, and that was a total of $8. So that was what we spent for the week. We are going to move on down to fill in this little area. So anyways, amount for the week that I spent was $181.82, and that is correct because that is what your girl has. Then 75. But yeah, guys, you know, this is how I do my videos. Get y'all together and get me together, because otherwise y'all will not be getting any videos. And I try to record on the weekend too, because otherwise, not record, I try to edit on the weekend too, because otherwise y'all will just, y'all will not get these videos. Okay, and I'm trying to stay consistent. So 181.82. 1 week I did not like record and edit my video. And I was just like, I'm not going to give y'all this, you know, so I'm not even about to do all of that. So I didn't upload a video for a week. And I think that was also a busy week too. I had work stuff I had to get done. So I didn't do it on the weekend. Then work happened and it was just not working out. So that's what happened. So for amount, we did $181.82. Then for savings, we did $3.18. And then for total is $185 for the week. So what is being deposited to my bank is the total of $185 because everything that was spent on a credit card. Then credit card payment is gonna be $181.82, and then savings is gonna be $3.18. Now, if you are new here, this is your first video you're watching, you might be like, girl, you just wrote the same thing that is up here down here. Yes, I did. However, comma, okay, let's say I paid for something in cash, right? I'm gonna include this in here, but it won't be on my credit card. So my credit card, my bank deposit to pay off my credit card will be different. My credit card payment will be different, and my savings will be different. Well, savings will probably be the same, but you get my gist. Like, the numbers for what I would spend in amount would be different because I spent more money. I just spent part of it in cash. Y'all, I don't know where we stopped, but my camera decided, well, my memory card decided to be full. So, ooh. That is my one note. So now we are going to do our funds removal. Our funds removal. And then, yeah, so let's unstuff this cash envelopes. These cash envelopes. Let's unstuff this cash envelopes. These cash envelopes. Okay, so this is, let me see. Oh, this is all cash envelopes. These are no sinking funds. Okay, cool, bet. All right, let's do this. So let me turn you over. Let me put you in frame like that. Okay, cool. So let's go in order. So groceries right now got two things coming out. So we got food coming out for $79. So 20, 40, 60, 70, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is the first. That's the first. Ooh, let me bring you down a little bit. That's the first one right there. And then groceries again for $18. So, and then, ooh, child, what is 79 plus 18? 97. So we gonna put this back correctly. So we gonna do 20, 40, 60, 80, 90. And we gonna do 5, 6, and 7. There we go. So that should be 97. That comes out of groceries. So that should leave me with 103 in there, right? So let me just put this in order, count this and make sure it's right and that I have no extra dollars because, you know, things be happening. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 96, 97. Okay, cool. 97. So the next thing after that, I think would be household, because that would be, yep, household. And so that is $5 they're losing out of household. So yeah, this 5 will work. That 5, and I'm just gonna put those funds back in. Then, what's next? Weekly spending, which is losing $9. So 2 5s right here. I'm gonna put that on and take $1 and put that back. That's for weekly spending. Going out is losing $35. This is 20, 30. Okay. Oh, they gave me a yes. I'm gonna keep that there. They gave me a taped $5 bill. No, ma'am. So now I have 16 in here. Okay. Let me put that back. If anything is messed up, it's from going out. I know that, but ooh, why are you upside down? Ooh, who did that? There we go. Yeah, I'm giving them back there. Taped $5. I don't want it. I don't want it. And then, so that's going out. YouTube is losing 39. So that is 30. Ooh, that is all of this. YouTube is losing 39. So I'm gonna put all 40 over here. And I'm gonna put $1 back in YouTube. Miscellaneous is good. Small business is good. Health is good. Budget buys is good. So we did go in our groceries household. We can spend in YouTube and groceries again. Okay, I think that's everything. So now, once I calculate all this, it should be 185. So let's just put them in order. You already know. Put them in order. Oh, I have no ones. I must have put back all the ones. Okay, I should have 185. So that's 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 10, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80. Hold up. Hold up. Hold on, hold on. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. I took out too much money out of somewhere. Hold on, hold on. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85. I didn't. It was right. Okay, cool. I was just, y'all, I can't count. I cannot count. But this is 185. So that means we are good. And so we are just going to put that in this bank deposit cash envelope. So I'm gonna put that there, that 185, and we will deposit that to the bank on Monday to clear our balance off our credit card, and that is it, baby. So that it is. Yes, it is. But anyways, that's it for our weekly check-in. For what we spend. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. Share this video with a family, friend, and a foe. Don't forget, if you do enjoy the content here, to hit that subscribe button. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.